Hi everybody, welcome. It has been wild out here in the Utah desert. It has been so warm. It's over 100 degrees during the day, and then the last 3 nights, randomly, we've had these crazy thunder and lightning storms. I went out on the porch and caught a few of the strikes. It was really awesome. The first clip is real time, and then I duped it and followed it up with quarter speed. Oh, it's so beautiful. I hope you are all staying safe. I know weather everywhere is just wild. Wow. But do what you can, do your best, stay safe. Cheers. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys.